Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountryshootcottage.net, and today we're going to talk about adding score lines in Cricut Design Space. A couple weeks ago we had a video all about the new scoring wheel for the Cricut Maker, but I wanted to jump back just a minute and talk about adding those score lines in Design Space in case you don't know how. Here's how to add a scoring line in Cricut Design Space. So first I've drawn just a rectangle. Then if you pull down the Shapes menu, there's actually a score line. And then you can draw it right onto your image, and you can pull it down to make it longer or shorter. Then just pick both of those and attach them together before you cut. Now, what if you do not want a line, but rather a shape? So let's pick a square and add that to our rectangle. We can come over here, click the square, click score, and now it's a scored square. Attach those two together, and you're ready to score. So that's it. Now you're a scoring line pro. So easy, right? So if you've missed any of our Cricut Basics series, be sure to check out the rest of the videos on YouTube. Everything you need to know about Cricut Design Space, all in one place, with short videos about specific things that you need to know to operate your Cricut machine. Thank you all so much for joining me. Give us a thumbs up on YouTube and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our series.